Yeah, I'm already. Why?
I didn't want to be on it.
There's Devin. He's so blown. There's the whole deli. Yeah.
You didn't even exit off the game.
They're gonna light their hand on fire. Like some retards. High five.
Yes.
Juan burned his hand. So did Dill. There's Lincoln.
And Devin in there eating shit. And it's gonna get hot. When did you even get up?
Why you didn't put my ramen noodles?
There's Crystal over there. Crystal. They're lighting their hands on fire. Again.
No, here like me.
Yeah.
Like you're on a wrestling team.
He's really excited.
No, she about to put one of us in a mean headlock.
They're slowly Lincoln.
That's what I'm working with.
So, yeah.
That's a mean headlock.
That's a little bit of headlock.
Shit, I was knocked out. I got guns up the thing. The mean headlock. The fuck? 37.
Oh, no, you're on. I didn't even throw you down.
Man, Lakey,
Oh
you're
my God,
mean.
okay?
Jeez, calm down.
Stop, wait.